Hello everyone and welcome back. It's James again. Today I'm going to show you some noun cards that you should use in your lessons. Once your students know a bit of English, you're going to want to increase their vocabulary by introducing new words. And I'll show you some words. I have envelope, that is futo. Top, that is koma. Owl, that is fukuro. Net, that is ami. Backpack, you can say knapsack, but I say backpack, and that is randuseru or rucksack. Magnet, shichaku. Mailbox,郵便ポスト. Chopsticks, washi. Money, okane. Shovel, again, katakana. Oh, they'll say scope, or they'll say this word in katakana English, shaburu. Zipper, chaku. Broom, that's hoki. Doll, that is ningyo. Toothpaste, hamigaki-ko. Flag, hata. Fan, senbuki. Mirror, kagami. This is also in katakana English. Use cards like these, flash them. The bigger the better, because kids are visual, all right? So you want your lesson to have some kind of impact on them. So the larger, the better. Okay, and then you can play snap them up, which is called karuta in Japanese. You can lay them out on the table and say, find. They need to know the word find. Find in Japanese is sagasu or mitsukete, okay? So you do this every week as long as you like. You can award them with candy or a high five or a sticker. You can put them in groups of 2 or 3 or split them in half. But the objective of this is to teach them new vocabulary. All right? And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.